Alright y'all, so I know it's been a minute since I made a video, but I finally bought something else, some more parts to start back working on this Tahoe right here. I got these parts from Rock Auto. We're gonna open them up and see. This big old box for this little bitty part, man. They for that. Anyway, this is let me let that focus. Come on now. It don't focus for me. Anyway, this is a hinge for the right side of the Tahoe. Oh yeah, it still ain't painted. I gotta get it painted. But I was been waiting on this so we could get it painted because my fender over here starting to kind of oxidize. Anyway, fender hood hinge for the right side to fix the gap that's on the right side of the Tahoe. That's that. What else we got here? Oh, I ordered some control arms too, but I doubt if they came in this video. But if they did, shit, that's even better, cause I need them. Cause it got like a little shimmy when you first take off. So I looked it up one day and took the tire, and it turns out to be the ball joint is oh yeah, we in the game, baby. The ball joint was bad on me. The tire was shaking. Hold on, what we got over here? These, man, but they already doing shit. Okay. Oh, damn, these boys on point. Rock Auto is on point, but I'm trying to tell y'all, like all my stuff, majority of my stuff came in like a week ahead of time, but I'm trying to tell you. Inside door handle for the right passenger side, you might be able to put that on today. I got the I went with the move. Supposed to be like premium upper control on the ball joints. I just went with them because it was thicker along up in here than all the other ones, so I went with them bad boys right there. Man, these bitches been used, ain't they? Well, they had pre-installed it with grease or something, but yeah, they been dirty like it been used, what? Man, hopefully they just pre-installed grease enough on top because it's like already kind of dirty and stuff. Anyway, oh yeah, this that one. That's the powder key in the nut. But yeah, when he ain't got both sides. This one kind of somewhat the same way, but they put these on ASAP. So yeah, man, just a quick update. Some parts I ordered. Yeah, just quick update on some parts I ordered. Short little video. Next video I will be installing these, so y'all stay tuned, man. Don't forget to like the video, man. Subscribe to the channel and drop some comments, man. I need to talk to y'all, man. That's it for this video. Peace out, man.